Thinking about getting into options trading but not sure where to start? Let me show you why selling options, not buying them, might be the smartest move you can make in the market. These are the top 5 reasons you should consider becoming an option seller. Let's go. Reason number 1: you get paid up front when you sell an option. You get paid up front in the form of premium. It's like being the house in a casino. You collect cash on day 1, regardless of what happens next. That cash can be used immediately or reinvested. Reason number 2: higher probability of profit. Option sellers work with time decay and probability in their favor. You're not betting on a huge move, you're betting that certain things won't happen. That gives you more consistent returns over time. Reason number 3: you can define your risk with strategies like cash secured puts or covered calls. You know exactly how much you could lose and when. There are no unlimited downside scenarios like with some other trades. It's controlled risk, which is powerful. Reason number 4: it works in any market, bullish, bearish, or sideways. Selling options lets you profit even when a stock goes nowhere. Unlike buying calls or puts, which require big moves, you can win by simply being right about what won't happen. Reason number 5: build passive income. Once you understand how to pick the right strikes and manage trades, selling options can become a steady income stream. It's popular among early retirees, dividend lovers, and anyone who wants cash flow from their portfolio. Wrap up: these are just a few reasons smart investors are turning to option selling as a core part of their strategy. If you're ready to take control of your trading and start getting paid like the pros, start learning to sell options the right way. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more options strategies and weekly trade ideas.